Hello kids, today we are going to see about rotational symmetry, order of rotation and some examples. Okay, so first, what is the rotational symmetry? We have already learned about rotation. Rotation means turning around a center. Rotation means rotation means turning around a center. Okay, so rotation means turning around the center. The paper, windmill, merry-go-round, fan, tops, wheels of vehicles, fidget spinner are few examples of rotating objects that we see in our life. Okay, so when one rotation is complete, okay, so taking one example of vehicles, okay, wheels of vehicles, okay, wheels of vehicles. Okay, wheels of vehicles. When one rotation is complete, the rotating object comes back to the position where it started. During a complete rotation, the object moves through 360 degree. Okay, 360 degree. Okay. An object is said to have a rotational symmetry if it looks the same after being rotated about its center through an angle less than 360 degree. If the order of rotation of an object is at least 2. Okay. So let us take an example of order of rotation. Taking example 12, the question is find the order of rotation for the following shapes. So first, let us taking the subdivision. So here we have to find the order of rotation. Rotating means when one rotation is completed. Okay, rotation is completed, the rotating object comes back to the new position where it started. Okay, so here we have to rotating. First we have to rotating this. So and we get the position. We get the new position. Okay, we get the new position. That is. Okay, this is the new position. So first we have to rotating. This. So we get the new position. That is this one. So and then we have to rotating this until you get the. We have to rotating that object until we get the initial position. Okay. So this is the initial position. This is the new position. So next we have to rotating this. So we have to rotating this. We get the new position. So new position is same as the initial position. So here this is the rotational symmetry. Here the order of rotation. Okay, order of rotation is how many times we have to rotate this object? 1 times, 2 times. So the order of rotation is 2. Okay, so the order of rotation equal to 2. The triangle. Taking the subdivision 3 triangle. Okay. Already we know about the shape. This is triangle. So here we have to find the order of rotation. Okay, first we have to rotating this. This is the initial position. So first we have to rotating this. So we get okay, we get the new position. So that is okay. We get the new position. So this is not the initial position. Okay, this is not the initial position. So again we have to rotating this new position. Again we get rotating the new position. So that is we get this one. So we get this one. Okay, this is first and this is second. Okay, first, second, third. Okay, first, second, third. So we have to rotating this. So this is the new position. So this is not similar as the initial position. And again we get rotating this. So we get the initial position. The new position is same as the initial position. Okay. So here how many times of rotation we have used? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So the order of rotation equal to order of rotation equal to 3. Okay. Next we move on to the translational symmetry. Okay, translation. What is a translational symmetry? It is nothing but here a particular pattern or design continued throughout. The pattern changes its place without rotation or reflection. The exact image is found without changing its orientation. Okay. Thus, translation symmetry occurs when a pattern slides to the new position. The sliding movement involves neither rotation nor reflection. So, this is the translational symmetry. Let us take an example. Okay, let us take example 14, subdivision 1. So, observe this figure, observe this pattern. So, here the particular patterns, here the design continued throughout. Okay, the design, so one design is continued throughout this pattern. Okay, so the pattern changes, so here the pattern changes its place, but without rotation or reflections. Okay, so here the which pattern is translated in the given columns. So that is this pattern. Okay, this pattern is translated. This pattern is translated in the given columns. Okay. Okay, kids. Thank you. See you next class.